Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. Yeah, so today I'm just going to show you guys three major scale, most important pattern, right? You should learn. Every beginner should learn this. It's a pattern and every beginner should learn. So it's a three pattern on major scale. I'm going to show you guys. And it's something that I want you to actually get used to. Now, while practicing this, I would like you to just while practicing, practice on all the fretboard, like play it up and down for a particular period of time. Yes, I think it's actually going to help, right? So it's going to help you grow more faster that way. So the number one, let's go straight to the point. The number one is the conventional pattern, right? Scale pattern you know on the major scale, so which is right. Then go again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Get it? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then you go back. Right, so this lesson practically is basically meant for beginners, right? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Right, so let's try playing with the metronome, right? Slowly, you can just go. You get it? So this is the first pattern. The second pattern now is this. Right, so you see how I'm widening my hand. So do, I'm starting with my index finger. Re, right, the re here I'm using with my middle finger. Mi, the pinky finger. So do, re, mi. You get it? That's the second pattern. Then you go to your fa, sol, la. Just go down and play the same pattern, the same shape, right? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. You get it? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Then you end with your ti, do. Right? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So actually, if you do that for a particular period of time, you actually start feeling it in your hands, right? It's actually a workout. Everything we do on the guitar is a workout exercise, right? So you actually, the more you do that for a particular period of time, the more you actually get used to it. You actually feel the pain a little, right? But just keep on going, right? So there go back. Use the finger pattern, right? Index, middle, pinky, index, middle, pinky, index, middle, right? So let's go back to the first one. Right. Second one. You see we are progressing. So let's try using a metronome now for both of them. 2, 3, go. Second one now. Again. Second one. So that's the two patterns, right? So the third one now the third one, this is the third one. Let me show you how you play it. So you play, you just get your do, re, mi. If this is your mi, right, you know that up here is your do. If this is your mi, then fa here should be your do. So we are starting here now. So we are starting our do here with our pinky, right? So it's do, re, mi, fa, right? Pinky here, right? Then you're right here, right? So do, re, mi, fa, your pinky, your index, right? Your ring, which is the mi and the fa here, your pinky again, right? So do, re, mi, fa, then sol, la. You get it? Sol, la. Then go back to your ti, do, right? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, right? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sorry. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then you go back. You get it? You see how it works, right? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So join it all together in the first one. Second one. Sorry. You have to use the finger shape, right? Right, the third one now. So let's go over it again. second, third. You get it? So that let's try using the metronome, right? Let's try using the metronome. So let's count it on a beat. Two, go. Second one now. Third one. First one now. You see, right? Second one. Third one. So let's try stepping up the tempo. You can actually try stepping it up. Alright? Third one. So yeah, so that is all. So just try practicing it. Try practicing it on the different place in the fretboard, like up and down. Once you're done using this key, go to the next key, right? And you can also use the thicker side of the string here to actually practice it. So it's going to help you gain more strength if you do that for a particular period of time. Yeah. So yes. So let's try it again. The three of them. 1, 2, 3, go. Second one. Third one. Yeah, so that is all. So just try it out, work on it, and I'm very sure it's gonna help you go a long way in your play, and it's gonna help you learn how to expand your hand, right? Help your tone, it's gonna help your dexterity, it's going to help a lot of things. So just work on it, and yes, I'm going to see you in my next class. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos. So see you in my next video. Thank you.